Hey guys, I'm Jade Holding from Photo Factor. Welcome to part 4 of this 5-part series of getting to know some Photoshop basics. So in today's episode, I'm going to share with you what to do if you feel you've made this mistake and oh my god, what a train smash. Don't stress, it's almost always repairable. So let's dive straight in and let me show you how to do that. So you'll remember on episode 2, we were playing around with the brush tool and we were just making some random strokes. We were playing with opacity, seeing what that did for you. And we played with brush size. And we also played with the hardening or softening of the edges. And so it's good to play, guys. It's the best way to learn. So don't, although we've made a right mess of the image here, it's fine. It's all part of the learning curve. So the simplest way to undo something that you've just done that you're not happy with is to go up to the top menu bar, click on Edit, and you'll see the drop down menu appears. And the very first option here is the Undo option. It will say undo brush tool here because, well, we've just used the brush tool. If we were working on, say, the dodge tool or clone tool, it would then say undo clone tool or dodge tool. And remember I said I love shortcuts, guys. To the right here, it shows us what the shortcut, the keyboard shortcut option is, which is Command Z on a Mac and Control Z on a Windows. So we click on that, you'll see the last step we did. That brush stroke disappears and we can do it again and again and again, up to 50 times you can do this option. If you want to bring something back, you can click on here and drop down to the next option, which is redo brush tool. Shortcut there being Command or Control plus Shift and Z, and that will then bring back some of the steps that you may want to or you may wish to revert to. But now, guys, is probably, I'm going to share with you what is probably my favorite, most used panel option, which is the history. And I have it already available to me here, hiding behind the swatches. You might not have it here simply because your workspace is not yet set up this way. If it's not showing, you can then, remember I shared with you, you can go up to Windows and you can scroll down here to History and it will appear, not necessarily here, it might appear elsewhere on the side here depending on how your workspace is set up. But here it is. And so if I click on the very top window, you'll see it cleans up everything that I've done, and you'll see each thing I've done here is recorded step by step. And I can jump back as far back or forward as I want to go, or to take the image to where I feel I'm happiest. And so here's the important thing to remember, guys. This history is only available to me whilst the image is open and I'm working on it. As soon as I close the image, this history will no longer be available to me. So just something worth remembering. And so that brings us to the conclusion of part 4. If you've liked this video, please do give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. In our final episode, I'm going to share with you how to save your image and just touch on maybe what the best file options are for you to choose from. See you there.